3, 2, 5 point something blast off? Ugly emergency, call the glitter. We do deluxe upgrade package. Hold still, symmetry check. Medical alarm, clear. Never mind. Cape malfunction, deluxe.
This face is a crime scene. Now. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Unique. Patient cute, resistant, but I win. She's judging me, I feel it. Okay, new plan. More cloud, less dignity. She looks...
Listen up, champ. We're going in strong. Breathe, believe, and those brows, legends waiting to happen. I can fix, but my confidence low. No panic. Professional! Stay still. Oh, Cotton's got a mind of its own. Hold still. Breeze for...
I can fix, but my confidence low. Don't worry, I watched many tutorials. No one saw that.
Look at this. Pure mystery, huh? Yes, patient looks stable. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Abort. No, continue. Serum mix, phase 2. Steady. Whoa! And perfected. Gorgeous, in theory. Next.
I can fix, but my confidence low. What? No, continue! And filler.
The glitter. That's not the lip.
Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique. Unique, patient, cute, resistant, but I win. Miss her. Case closed.
This face. Hard mode. I need miracle. This is art. Medical art.
I think the patient knows I'm winging it.
Sterile field. This face, very advanced, ugly, professional only. Okay, new plan.
Oh my! Ugly level high! Emergency upgrade! I am surgeon and influencer! Watch this! Oh, quack!
Hold still, patient.
I can fix, but my confidence low. Easy fix! Trust the doctor!
Suspicious texture. Listen, it's a train wreck, but let's pretend it's a canvas. Doctor voice, right. Oh, she's so ugly. I mean, unique! Grunt the board. No, continue! Beauty x-ray coming through. Heart levels, questionable. Secret serum mix. Oh, that's potent. Whoa, whoa, we meant to...
I need miracle. No panic.